Hey guys, it's Catherine and welcome back to our channel. I'm so excited about today's challenge. I am a co-host of the challenge on today and it is called Dollars in My City. Now I was so excited when Tammy asked me to be her co-host. So of course I said yes indeed. So let me tell you a little bit about this challenge. Now, the gist of the challenge was to shop some of the Dollar General stores in your area. Dollar General, Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, whatever dollar stores in your area that you have. That was the whole idea behind today's challenge, to shop those stores, purchase some items, and then come up with a DIY and show us how you're using it in your home. Now, guys, if you don't have a Dollar Tree or any of those stores in your area, or perhaps you just can't get out right now because of everything that is going on, we still want you to participate. So we ask if you've purchased some things in the past from one of those Dollar General stores and you have them and you haven't used them, or if it's something that you've used and you can repurpose to make another DIY out of it, do so, please. All right, guys. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the challenge as well. Now, like I said, you needed to shop the stores in your area. Also, we wanted you to be subscribed to both Tammy's channel and my channel. We also wanted you to just simply have some fun because there's so much going on, guys, out there right now. And you know, we just want you to sit back and just really have some fun. You're home, you're indoors, and just have a little bit of fun, you know, with us here on YouTube. All right, guys, so without further ado, let me show you some of the items that I will be using in my project today. And I did shop all three of my stores, Dollar General, Family Dollar, and Dollar Tree. So let me show you what I picked up. Alright guys, so take a look at some of the items that I may or may not be using in today's project. Take a look at this little galvanized flower pot or flower bucket, and it's just full of kitchen utensils. Got several different utensil items there. And also take a look at this galvanized party tray. I saw this, I thought this was really, really cute for what I wanted to do. And also take a look at the measuring cups. You know, these came from the Dollar Tree. And then also I've got some smaller measuring spoons. I've got some hardware here that didn't come from either of those stores, but I know that I needed it for the project. And I couldn't find what I had on hand, so I did purchase those things. And then also I've got a plant hanger, which is what's going to hold it all in place. Now guys, this project was Pinterest inspired, and what it's going to be is it's going to be a chandelier that's going to house and hold all of these kitchen utensils that you can't seem to find when you need them. You're rummaging through drawers, and so they're going to be readily at your fingertips to grab whenever you want to use them. All right guys, so stay tuned and come along and watch me make this chandelier. Okay guys, so first I'm going to start off by just opening up everything and getting everything out of its packaging so that we can see what we're working with here. So this is going to be my hanger. That's going to hold it all in place. All right. And then, now guys, I don't know that I'm going to be using this hula hoop. I thought that I was, but I don't think that I'm going to use it because I really, really like this galvanized party tray. So hula hoop we will not be using. So let me open up this galvanized tray. Now guys, I picked this tray up from Dollar General, and it was $15, but it was so cute, and I thought that if I got this, then I would not need to spray paint the hula hoop, because all of the cutlery that I was using was going to be already silver. Okay, and I guess this is a little bonus addition here, a little bowl. I don't know what I'll do with that, but something. Alright guys, now what I plan to do next is I have my drill and I have my drill bits, and I plan on simply drilling holes on the sides of this galvanized serving tray. And then I've got some S hooks, and then I'm going to hook the S hooks in, and then I'm going to hang all of the utensils from the S hooks. Now, I don't know if you can see this inside, but this is a very, very pretty inside. So once this is hanging from the ceiling downward, you know, it's going to be really pretty. So I definitely want to hang it this way and not this way, because you can't see how pretty it is facing the ceiling. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and drill a couple of holes, and then I will show you what the holes look like, and then I'll go ahead and start attaching everything together, okay? Alright guys, so take a look at the holes. Now I only drilled about 10 holes on the sides here, and then if I need to add more, you know, later on, if I want to hang more utensils, I can do so. So see, I went all the way around with my drill bit, and I drilled little small holes. Now I had to go back to the Dollar Tree. Actually, the S hooks that I got from Home Depot, I didn't need. I couldn't use them. They weren't big enough. So I had to go back to the Dollar Tree and get these hooks here, these S hooks here. So this is what I'm going to hang them with. Now let me show you also what I did to the top, how I attached my plant hanger. All right, so here the serving tray is right side up. So I want you to take a look, because I had to get some zip ties. Again, I had to drill a couple of more holes inside and get zip ties to hold the chain. Now I'm going to flip it over so you can see the chain. Okay, so see, here's the chain, and it's just being held on by zip ties. So see, this is how I had to get that to secure. All right guys, so far this is where we are. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and attach right here where you see the holes. I'm going to attach all of the plant S hooks or plant stakes. I'm not sure what they're called. They may be stakes, but right now they're going to be S hooks for me. So I'm going to attach all 10 of them, and then I'll show you what that looks like, and then we'll attach all of the cutlery onto that. All right guys, here it is, all complete. And I do call this my utensil chandelier, and I think it came out really, really, really cute, guys. The only thing I would have done different, and which I can still go back and do at any point, put some more holes right here where you see some of the wide open spots, because I did get those cute little measuring galvanized measuring cups, and I would like to hang those. So that's the only thing that I would do differently, guys. But take a look at it. I think it's so cute. And guys, also when I was thinking of the idea, I didn't really think where I was going to hang it, because I am going to be moving in the next month or two. So it's actually going to be for my new place. However, let me show you how I'm showing it to you here. I actually have it hanging from my light in my kitchen now because I didn't have anywhere else to hang it from so that you could get a good visual of it. And I hope you're getting a good visual of it now. But I think it's so cute. And look at that little galvanized little bucket on top there. I think it looks really, really cute, guys. Just go all around it really, really quickly. Excuse all the background items that you're seeing there. But I think it came out really, really cute. All right, guys, so that does complete this Dollars in My City Spring 2020 challenge. And again, a special thanks to Tammy from Me, Myself, and DIYing It for asking me to be her co-host in this challenge. And guys, once you take a look at my channel or my video, Tammy's video, please take a look at all of the other amazing YouTubers that did participate in this challenge. Again, guys, thanks so much for watching. Until the next time, bye-bye.